everyone, welcome to another video of my trading journals. Today we have 16th of January. This is Tuesday, and we are currently in what seems as an uptrend. 30 minutes ago, like from here, there was a new, but apparently it didn't really affect the market. These candles are probably out of the range. These three too little, and these last three maybe too big. So let's check the 30-second chart just before starting. Well, actually, let's just start now. Um, so apparently there might be not a lot of volume. At least it doesn't look like it. So we're going to stay on the 30-second chart for now to see if we can play around with these volume conditions. I could risk for a buy here, but I don't know if that is what like the best thing to do, considering this was like a really big candle. If it retreats,
Order filled. Stop filled.
okay, really bad. I was waiting for it to come back up again, but whatever. Now we'll have to wait. So this candle is actually in the volume range. Apparently this one was out, so we're changing to one that is a little bit more stable right here.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay, really bad. That was an impulsive trade since this wasn't like an actual confirmation of the movement. We're going to try at least one more trade to see how it goes. But before doing that, we'll have to wait for price action to be a little bit more organized and actually be able to categorize. That is a note I should do. I'm actually going to take this notepad here, make it smaller, and impulsive trades don't work. Wait for wait for an actual category. So here volume is actually right, not too big, not too low. I was going to say after a candle like that one, I would probably like to sell, and I didn't. Felt scary actually. We can just wait. It is not necessary to push over taking a trade if the situation doesn't play with it. Taking a decision based only in two candles is just not good. for me to wait for at least 3 of them. If you can tell, when there are 3, probably the movement will keep going. But if they get interrupted, then it is just better to wait. There's basically nothing I can decide right now. See, here I catch it like a bad thought. I was thinking of buying, but then I reflected. If I do that, it is more probable that I'm going to lose than that I'm going to win. And in fact, I would have lost in case I actually bought and go for a long position. Okay, here
Order filled.
we will actually like to buy, and hopefully it gets
Target filled.
nice. We actually hit a target. That is 3 candles for red.
Order filled.
That blue thing plays there for
Target
good entry.
filled.
Second target. And let's wait. We might be able to catch up. Another good entry
Order filled.
right there. Might want to
Order
quickly to
filled.
close it with 1.75 75 points. Yeah, that is.
Order filled.
Night entry. Okay, let's lower down the stop loss just in case it was to play against us.
Order
3
filled.
points. Could have taken the 4. Didn't happen. Oh, what I just did. Come back.
Order
So shall
filled.
continue. That is a good entry point. 3 points there.
Target filled.
Nice. And stop. So that is $155. Today we actually learned 2 things. I just shouldn't trade when I am not able to categorize, which is in places like from 30 from 9:31 to 9:37, which were 5 minutes where I basically did nothing. Wait, actually, it was 4 minutes. In a minute, I lost $160 because of me trying to trade when I can't actually do it. I should wait for the price to be actually readable and confirmed, like this here. See that if that I didn't join the trend until there was like, what I'm trying to say is that this is an actual directional movement. This is a false directional thing, like being a risk of a directional movement to like not to work is when it is like way too strong, like this one, and obviously with big retreatments and like reversals in the same candle here. That is something that clearly didn't happen here. As you can see, most of the candles maintained a certain level, and for example, this one didn't come back by a lot. We also took good entries, waiting for them to like take a little trace back to the upside, and then taking the sell. Also living in a good moment with $155. And yeah, I feel like there's nothing else to say. It was actually patience, waiting for me to like for an actual category, and seeing things more methodically, like not with intuition, but actually having a criteria for trading, which is just way better, even without the need to use any indicators. As you can, well, actually, only one indicator right here. So yeah, patience. I don't have to trade if I don't feel like it. I didn't took trades that made me lose, and well, actually two bad trades, but then I managed to restore myself. And the thing about the entries, which is really important, and actually taking advantage of that directional movement, like taking a couple of trades in the same place. We managed to recover 8 points. Like we won like 5 trades approx. So yes, thank you for watching and see you next time.